Safety's on. Smoked a female. Been a long time since I got a female. That has me real happy. I just passed up a male cockbird. I could have had him, but he was too easy. I want a challenge. I didn't even see that tune at like the last second. Oh, that has me happy, man. Oh man, that had me happy. A long time since I got a female pheasant. These birds here, the females, are so stealthy. They're so hard to see. They don't make any noise. They're super quiet. Man, they fly so fast. It's just freaking awesome. I'm glad I passed up that cockbird. So I would have shot the cockbird. I was spooky. See me feeling. There were two of them. I should have shot the other one, but I was just happy to get this one.